Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to verify your identity on i.me for unemployment. Now, first, you'll have to sign in into your account and go through all the steps. But if you do not have an account, I will show you now how to create an account. So simply click on create an account. First, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. ID.me will send an email to that address. Click the link in the email to confirm it's really you. Step 2 is to set up multi-factor authentication. You must set up multi-factor authentication or MFA to secure your account. ID.me offers you several options for MFA. The most common method involves a one-time password that can be texted to your phone number. ID.me also gives you the option to generate backup recovery code in case you are away from the device you use for MFA or lose access to your account. You can also use ID.me's code generator app for MFA. Step 3. Verify identity. Now, to verify your identity, you must submit photos of your permanent government-issued ID, like an official driver's license, passport, or passport card. You can upload photos of documents from your computer if you already have them on, or take new photos with your mobile phone. So in my case, I will take new photos using my mobile phone. ID.me will text you a link to take photos. Tap the link and take the photos of your document with your mobile phone. And before uploading, make sure that you are not using photocopied, expired, or ineligible documents. You must use your permanent ID and make sure the photos is clear and all four corners of the documents are visible. Now, the next step is to take a selfie. Follow the instructions to take a video selfie. Ensure you are in a well-lit area and please take off anything that you are wearing, including eyeglasses or hats. You will be asked to look at the colors on your phone screen while ID.me takes a short selfie video to verify that you are really you. Then you will have to enter your social security number. After completing the document upload, ID.me requires a social security number to make sure it's really you and prevent duplicate accounts. Finally, the consent to share data. Once you confirm your information, you will need to allow the agency to receive your data. Once you click allow, the process is complete. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in a new video.